what's up YTV, it's your boy DJ Y and we're back with another episode. So last night was so major, we had big unity, real hip-hop celebration. Legendary Curtis Jackson linked up with also legendary Lil Flip and Zero at Tycoon weekend party in Houston. Yes, we had so many legends on the same place. This is why Houston never sleeps, bro. This is true facts, period. On the screen, you're watching Lil Flip, 50 Cent, and Zero chilling together, showing some big love. Here is DJ Self, Tony Yayo, Uncle Murder. Man, what a night, man. Last night was legendary, without doubt.
Oh, they creeped up on me. Come on, man. Come at I can go behind ABs to protect myself.
Guys, honestly to say, 50 always showing love to Houston rappers. He always take care to his people, man. His personality is amazing. 50 is the realest, man. I love this man. 50 is true GOAT. He's the best. No stress, only bless. Salute to everyone. Not many bosses give you anything, bro. So that's a blessing from Curtis Jackson and this is highly appreciated. Last night, he gave new BMF chain to Lil Mitch. He also had very special gift for Antonio Brown and Lil Flip. Man, this is highly appreciated. This is why Curtis Jackson is real king of the New York. If you think so, just tell me in comment section. Okay, New York has so many kings, but 50 is one of them. This is truth. So this is what it is. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. It's yours truly, one and only DJ Y. Thanks for watching. Peace.
In the peaceful time, and if you imagine